Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm coming on quickly. Lynn from Lynn Evans 2 asked me what paper pack this was from that I showed you the other day. The little little ephemera folder that I'd made, and it's from this one, Lynn. And you see it's called Vintage Experience, and I've had it absolutely ages. Show you across the bottom there because I've used a lot of the papers from it, but that's the most sort of floral vintagey one, I would say. There's quite a lot of blues and there's that floral one. So that's that Vintage Experience, £4 from the works, but I have had it ages, so you might be able to pick it up from one of them. And I've done some more. What have I done? Another 4 more. Again using this pad, and I've used this one. Again, I've nearly used all of these ones up, but this is the one that I've done. I just need to do a closure on it. And I've put all my guillotine and my scoreboard and everything away now. I've done them all a little bit different. Yeah, I don't know where my thing is now. We'll use one of these, but there's all these little pockets. That one there, and those two there. I just love making them. And then there's this one. Just put that over there. This one is from this pad. I'll show you this in a minute. This is pretty. Well, there's actually 2 different paper pads here, I think. Oh, I don't know. No, maybe there isn't. Thought there was, but maybe there isn't. So again, there. Nothing on there, nothing on there. Tiny little one there because I just got a strip of that left. Little one there, and a little one there. That one there, and those 2 there. And that was from this pack. This one is classic vintage paper stack, and again, I don't think I've bought any paper pads in well over a year. Could be 2 or 3 years since I bought these, but there are some pretty papers. This one's prettier than the other one, really. Love that. I absolutely love anything paisley. If that was all in multicolours, that would just be, oh, heaven. So that was that one. And then the last one I've done, oh no, I've done 2, was from this. Again, this was from the works. It would either have been £3 or £4. Magic Moments. Again, I have used pages out of this, but they're really pretty. Because I love such a variety, I don't just like one colour or one style. It's just, I don't know, just most things appeal to me, apart from white. or doing white in my own work, as you all know. This one, I chose the balloons for this one, and I've rounded all the corners on them again. Just did them basically the same, but a little bit different, with pockets and that on some of them. There, and there. That one's just got one there and a bit wider one there because that's what I've got left. I don't know how I end up with different. Even if I try and do them all the same, I always end up with different pieces left. That's that one. And then the other one that was out of this one is, I was using this one, these two, is this one, which again I think is pretty. And oh yeah, so that is the one sheet. Those two there are both sides of the sheet, and this spotty dotty one was this one. Can you see? But I didn't use the green and yellow flowers. Again, a bit different size pocket there. And there. And that there. And that is all I have to show you today, and I won't be showing you any more. I'm a bit annoyed because I put all my stuff away, came back upstairs and I thought, oh damn it, I've got 2 more sheets of paper out that I'd forgotten to take downstairs that I wanted to make a folder with, but I've had enough of it now, so that'll do me for the time being. So right, thank you very much for watching, everyone. I hope that helps you, Lynn. I say it was, oh, which one did I say? This one, wasn't it? Vintage Experience, but there's only really that florally, your sort of style, I would say, in there. This one is I think that one's a nicer one. But they're all good, aren't they, really, for that price? Right, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.